craziness is this? I'm actually gonna start a vlog on purpose.
Wow.
We are at Carlisle. It's a horseback riding trail.
And they have equestrian
It's a bridle trail. And this is our first trail ride of the year. My first trail ride in like 2 years since I've been at college. Oh, deer. There's a deer. Run! Oh, it's gonna be all sorts of cool. There's a bridge we're gonna go over. There goes the deer.
Yeah, you need boots.
And then we have some Christmas lights, figurines. So, whatever that is gonna be. And I'll try to get some footage of the trail. Well, I didn't film any of the trail ride because this guy was jazzed. There was no taking the phone out to film anything. Can you see how sweaty he is? We only rode for 30 minutes, but I think that was enough for this guy. He is 20 years old and he's not been out on the trail for about 2 years. He had a really bad abscess about 2 years ago. And then he was dealing with some arthritis stuff and we got it all figured out, and so now he's good to go, but he's out of shape and he has a full winter coat and it's like almost 70 degrees right now. So magic, not sweaty at all. So there's our trailer over there. And yeah, it was really fun. We were very afraid of all logs on the ground. And a man in a like all-terrain, like side-by-side, I don't know what they're called. Yeah, there was a tree that was down and he was gonna cut it up, so I was glad we missed that, but boy were we jazzed.
Magic was the brave one.
Yeah, Magic was, nothing scared him. Almost everything scared Mooney. People, logs, the river, mud.
But mostly that one funny tree.
Yeah, funny trees. Everything was too scary. Okay, we've gotten home and we made bets to see if they would drink first or if they would roll first. And they have to find the good spot and then they roll. Double roll all the way. Oh, Mooney got so close. Yeah. All right, there we go. That was trail riding. Sorry, I didn't actually show any of it.
No, well, we had to.
I had to keep my wits about me. They think they're going out to the pasture. Suckers. Are you so happy we got this water out for you? Oh my gosh, I've got a fly just flying all over me. Wide load. Here we come. Where's the last two? They need escorted. Sandy is not with you. Go, Teddy. Teddy is short for Tudball, which is Marigold's nickname from my dad. And now we wait for Sandy. Sandy has figured out that if she goes the other way, that we have some chicken food on the ground. But here she comes. Sandy. Sandy's her name. Red, you're not gonna share? Sandy, here, look, come over here. I'll show you where I put some. Look, Sandy, there's some over here. I like to keep things interesting. My goodness, it is warm. Oh no, Big Mama has fallen on the ground. That's our owl, our fake owl. Okay, Marigold says she's done eating, and we have fixed the owl. This is supposedly gonna keep predators away. Predators as in birds and such. They're gonna eat our chickens. What? Got babies. Okay. What can I do for you? It's a good thing the horses aren't mean to you, Saphira. Because the cats love to just sunbathe in the pasture paddock. Excuse me, she's jumped up on me. What do you have to say, Sandy? Nothing. Red. What do you have to say, Mom?
Meow.
Okay, and Toothless?
I love the sunshine.
Oh my goodness. Wow, Toothless! That's amazing. You are so cute. What? No, don't lick my hand. You're disgusting. You're disgusting. Don't lick my hand. Look at these guys' eyes shut. The sun is so bright. That is a cute cat. Girls are out for a day of sunshine and fun. Can you please eat the grass so we don't have to mow? Huh? They said no. We only eat grain and the most delectable hay. The only green thing that grows in the ground that they eat consistently are dandelions, which, if any of them are in milk, makes their milk taste like dandelions.
It's lovely.
So, springtime's not a great time to have.
I think it makes a really interesting cheese. It
Oh.
adds a depth of flavor and earthiness to the cheese.
Yeah. So, it doesn't make the soap taste different, so we just use it as.
Yeah. We'll have to try it and see.
We've got one big lady taking a dust bath. Oh, she's so cute. Everyone else, can you spy all of our chickens? They're all in these. We need to pull these up.
But then what would the chickens
But what would
do?
then they hide in?
I know. I can't possibly hold them.
Can I help you? Look at how majestic that is. Such beauty, such grace. Wait. Beto! Beto, come here! Beto, come! Wow, he's actually coming.
Boy.
This is crazy. I mean, to the wrong person,
Yeah, he did
and
not
immediately run away. Such well-trained dogs.
Oh,
I mean, dog. Lily's perfect. If she
hear
could hear you, she'd obey every command. Whoa! Alright, and then they all run in. They've had a full day of outside, like they always do. Unless it's raining, because goats melt, if you didn't know. Let's see if they sorted themselves out. Oh. Wow, Marigold. That's a flattering angle. Okay. They all went in their respective pens. That is fascinating. They don't normally do that. Oh, there you are. It's like, where's Party? All right, the doughs are done. Snoopy, are you ready to go have fun? You ready to go see more ladies? Oh, look at him posing. So we're going to trim his feet and clean him up a bit because he's getting in her car. So, yeah. Oh, we're gonna worm him as well. Deworm him. We're not worming him. Although that's what everyone. Alright, Snoopy. This was my little sister's baby. Her favorite. They used to cuddle. And now he's a mess. There we go. Oh, his head doesn't even fit. Well, we know his head doesn't fit. Is that squeezing him too much? Okay. She'll just hold it then. Okay, here's his feet before. It's probably been 2 months since I've done them, so this is good. Overdue. Alright, and this is the after. It's not going to focus. Anyway, we gotta do that. He just is covered in pee, so it's really fun.